Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Queen, and I'm here with my another video. This video is about some beautiful and amazing kind of footwear which looks very pretty and very beautiful, and the amazing kind of heels. And this one is also a very pretty. It's in a purple color, like the light purple, the beautiful shade. And this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It's in the amazing black color along with some shine on the top that makes it more beautiful and more amazing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting, more beautiful and more pretty. And as you know, like, you can wear such beautiful kind of footwear on every occasion, like it's a wedding, it's a birthday party, or the normal casual routine. You can wear such pretty heels and footwears, and you can wear these beautiful kind of footwear in every occasion, like it's a wedding, it's a birthday party, or the normal casual routine. You can wear these pretty heels which looks very beautiful. And as you know, like, footwear became the very important for our daily attire, and like serve many different purposes, like prevent our feet from injuries and make our look very beautiful and give us a very comfortable kind of uh, day. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of white color heel along with some pearls on the top that makes it more cute and beautiful. And this one is also very nice. The texture is very beautiful, like the brown color. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.